So the first thing we want to do is need a new prompt. So book scan needs to be a thing. Not gonna want to run the app. And right now, if you go to help, you see the book command. You want one that says book scan. So then we can do book scan. There's no command for that, so that should be the first thing that we do. Create the book scan command. So go to CLI folder, book command line. Just do a lot of copy and pasting. Book search, and book create, and let's add it there. This is going to be at command. This command, okay, we're done. Scan, description, scan a book. That sounds good to me. Scan book. Okay, we don't have to code these days. Alright, so scan book. Gotta get that ISBN and prompt for the ISBN scan. Let's create that CLI prompt. So here, public string prompt for ISBN. Just make sure that's right for ISBN. Why does this break? Oh, here. So component flow. Looks good to me. Prompt for ISBN. Now we can go back to book command. Oh, maybe you should do that scan for ISBN. Just add scan. So now we're using that. And scan command. This needs to be organized better because now I can't even find it. Maybe I can put these into different ones. Anyway, yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe I can do that. So book, do book, and class. We can do book command, book scan, command line, and then be a shell component command at shell component at command. And then I'll just take and scan what I just did. What I just had, scan, I'm gonna search it, scan, there we go. Put that out, put that over here. And you also need CLI prompt, yeah. And then we'll get that. How did that work? CLI prompt. That is coming from CliPromptService. CliPromptService. Scan book. Don't need that there anymore. And let's do this out. Scanned. I think that should do it. Let's see. Run that. And now when we help, scan is not there. Well, it's down here. It needs to be in that group. Scan. How do I put it to a group? And this group is called book command. Group called book commands. Just copy this whole thing. That should be better there. And then go back to help. And we have scan there. It just says scan. Just say book scan. So what is it going to do? Is it going to do scan or let's go to book? Nope. It just says scan. Well, at least that works. So let's see. If I scan a book now. Yep. Scanned ISBN. So that works. Only thing now is just the group thing. So when I go to help, this needs to be book scan. And why isn't that? Man, do I have to have all these in this? I wouldn't think I have to have all these in the same folder. I shouldn't have to have these in the same folder. If it's in the same group, maybe I do. Maybe that's the issue. Alright, let's take that out of there then. Put that back here. I feel like that it should be a way to do it. So now I'm going to help. It says book scan. Huh, okay. You go to book, go to scan, ISBN number, my scanner, and it scanned it. Perfect. I don't know if there is a way that I could, so I want a way to clean this up to where I don't have all of the book commands in one folder, but it seems like in order to get it on one help menu in the same group, I have to have it in the same folder. And maybe I just need to read it. I think I'll read the docs and see if I can fix that later. But as of right now, I'm able to scan it and get the number in there and it prints the number. Let's see, what's the next part? Scan book, that's what I need. Then the next part is actually connecting it to the API. And then we're going to read the book data back.